Yay, Munggo. My garlic, my onions, and my what you call ginger. Right? Okay. Now I'll put some oil. But before that, if you haven't subscribed with the Getback Joe, just subscribe before you watch, right? So that my channel will grow. Because without you, my channel won't grow, right? Okay. Now, my love. Me onions, right? Then, that's it. We are going to cook there pork tail, yeah, with I'm going to cook pork tail with vegetables, mongs there, Munggo, yeah. These are my pork tail. Okay, pork tail will go there. Okay. Monggo. Okay. That's Monggo. Wow. That's already cooked. See the tail? Oh, it's beautiful, lovely. See? Beautiful. Right? Now, I have to put my cabbage now. And pak choy. A little bit of pak choy, right? That's my pak choy. And this is my cabbage, right? Oh, I slice it big, so it will be lovely. Lovely jubbly, right? Now, okay? We'll wait for a few minutes to boil. Then that's it. Okay, it's cooked. This is our cabbage now, right? Cabbage there. Then some of the meat, right? Oh, beautiful. I love this. This specialty of Getback Joe, right? We have vegetables there. We have meat there. Lovely. Okay? Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, my dears. Help one another, okay? Bye!